Hi everyone. Business can be lonely, and it's good to have an accountability coach that checks in every week. So then I thought, okay, how can I make a system that I receive a call every week at a particular time, and that AI agent persona has the context about my business, about my goals, and additionally, context about the past week conversation data, and also from this week's call, get a structured output out of it. So I'll share the end-to-end automation workflows. I'm using VAPI for the voice AI assistant, and then Twilio for calling. So you can use VAPI for calling as well, but they have a limit on the calls you can make on the basic plan. And if you are non-US number, then you can't use VAPI. So you have to use tools like Twilio for programmatic voice calling. So the way it works is every Monday at afternoon, it shoots me a call. I store each call in a structured format in Google Sheet with the summarized data. So that's also configured in VAPI AI Assistant that, okay, uh, break down the whole conversation and summarize the action items, past week missing targets, this week target, how far are we from the quarterly goals. So those are the structured data I'm extracting. And here I'm configuring that, okay, only take the last 3 check-in calls based from this sheet. And I'm adding other context of yearly goal, quarterly goal about my company, and initiating a VAPI call. Here the agent is pre-configured. Say did a setup in VAPI, give that AI voice agent Gary V persona. I I like as a business accountability. And once the call is done, it triggers a webhook, and I'm doing some field extraction here and storing that call analysis data in Google Sheet as well. And here's where I'm taking advantage of the structured data output of past week, this week action item, and various fields I define in VAPI agent. And then I have another automation which also shoots me Slack message. I'm adding few nodes of WhatsApp and other for like, hey, here's your weekly check-in summary, etc., etc. So this architecture is very open, where you can just modify this AI agent to be your therapist, relationship coach, business coach, or even midweek reminder that, hey, you decided for the week gonna do this many tasks. Are you progressing towards it, etc., etc. So there's the architecture and automation workflow for AI business coach.